Is your Nissan Murano key fob not working? It probably needs a new battery. This video will show you how to replace the battery in your 2019-2024 Murano key fob. These fobs use a CR2032 battery, which you can find at most stores or online for just a few dollars. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. The process is simple, takes only 5 to 10 minutes, and can save you money compared to going to the dealership. First, locate the small indentation on the side of your key fob. Insert your pry tool and gently twist to open the fob. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up plus. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob back together and test it. If the fob still doesn't work, try reprogramming it by holding the lock button for 5 seconds while inserting the key into the ignition. If issues persist, corrosion might be the problem. Clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol. For more complex problems, contact your dealer. Remember to recycle your old batteries properly.